Hello and welcome to the live session by Infinity Learned by Sri Chaitanya. I am Misbah, your maths educator, and in this session we are going to talk about inequalities in triangles. In the previous sessions we were talking about congruency in triangles and have practiced many questions on the basis of those concepts. Hi Raza, welcome to this session. Hello Abhimanyu, welcome to this session. Are you guys able to hear and see me properly? So due to some technical issues I was not able to join on time, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. So we are going to do inequalities in a triangle. So let's start with it over here. So the first thing is angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. This is not inequality, this is basically equality in a triangle. Hello print book. And then you've got sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. So angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Let us start with it. So angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So if you have got a triangle over here, something like this. Hello Ishwa, hello Jamal, welcome to this session. So if you have got this triangle over here ABC, if it is given something like this, if AB is equal to AC, then angle B is equal to C, right? Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal, correct? And its converse is also true. And if it is given that angle B is equal to angle C, then you can say that AB is equal to AC. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal and sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Any doubt in that thing, guys? Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal and sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Now the proof is pretty simple. Suppose I am proving the first part of it. Suppose it is already given that AB is equal to AC. This is equal to this, and we need to do a construction. We just have to drop perpendicular, right? We have to drop AD perpendicular to BC over here. That's it. So basically over here you can see that triangle ABD will be congruent to triangle ACD. We just need to see this thing over here. You see, in this triangle ABD and ACD, they both are right angled triangles by construction because we have dropped perpendicular over here, and their hypotenuse they are given to be equal because AB and AC, they are the hypotenuse of right angled triangles ABD and ACD over here. So they are right angled triangles in which hypotenuse is equal, and one side, that is AD, apart from the hypotenuse, they are equal as well because that is common. So they are congruent by RHS congruency criterion. Hello Simran, welcome to this session. Is it clear? So if they are congruent by RHS congruency criterion, we can say over here that angle B is equal to angle C because they are CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. In the same manner, we can prove the second part as well. If angle B is equal to angle C is given to you, then we have to prove that AB is equal to AC. But in that case, you don't have to use the RHS congruency criterion. Suppose it is already given that B is equal to C, AB is equal to AC, you have to prove to be equal. The same construction will be used, you have to drop perpendicular, but now ABD and ACD will be congruent by AAS congruency criterion. Now they will be congruent by AAS congruency criterion, and then you can say that AB is equal to AC because they are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. I hope this is clear to every student over here. Any doubt in that thing, guys? So angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal and sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Is this thing clear to every student in this session? And that's how you can prove it as well. Only Hindi is not possible, Ayush, because देखो, I don't have any personal problem, लेकिन बहुत सारे students, they are from South India, so they will not be able to understand only in Hindi. I hope you understand that, Ayush. Okay. Any doubt in these things up till here, guys? Chalo. Okay. Now basically we are doing inequalities in a triangle, and I'm not going into the proof of these things, guys. But again, I'm not saying that there is no proof of these things. There is a proof to each of these things, but we will be doing questions on the basis of this. So in a triangle, angles opposite to the longer side is larger and in a triangle sides opposite to larger angle is longer, right? It means if you have got a triangle like this, suppose it is PQR. So suppose if it is given to you already that PR is greater than PQ, if it is given that PR is greater than PQ, then angle opposite to PR, that is Q, is greater than, then angle Q is greater than angle R. You got it? In this triangle, PR is given greater than PQ. So angle opposite to PR is Q will be greater than angle opposite to PQ, that is R. So Q is greater than R over here. Hi Abhimanyu, welcome to this session. Congruence we have already done. Please check out the playlist named as Pratham on the Infinity Learn class 9 and 10 YouTube channel, Simran. This is just a series going on. For grade 9 students, you have got Pratham series, and for grade 10 students, you have got Pioneer series on the Infinity Learn class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. So I hope it is clear. And the converse is also true. And if it is already given to you, suppose, just an example, if suppose it is given that angle P is greater than angle R, then you can say that, over here that QR is greater than PQ. Sides opposite to larger angle is longer. Correct? In both the directions, it is clear. Why are you writing unnecessary, Ravi Ranjan? Hi Deenabandhu, welcome to this session. Which type of triangle means Soumya? Okay, this is, we are not talking about any specific triangle, Soumya. We are just talking about this property that in a triangle, angles opposite to longer side is larger, and side opposite to larger angle is longer. Is it clear up till here? Any doubt in this thing? Just confirm in the chat, guys. Any doubt in these things to any student up till here? We are not doing the proof right now, but I am not saying that there is no proof to it, right? There is a proof to it, but normally it does not come in your examinations, in written examinations, but you must know the proof as well, and we'll be doing question on the basis of those concepts. I hope it is clear. Okay, Ravi Ranjan. Okay. Now this is this property, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, and difference of any two sides of a triangle is smaller than the third side. So basically sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So if you have got this triangle PQR over here, then sum of any two sides PQ plus QR is greater than PR over here. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. QR plus PR is greater than PQ over here. And then PQ plus PR is greater than QR. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side of any triangle, correct? And the difference of any two sides is less than the third side. And difference we take in modulus basically. See, suppose we have got the figure, but suppose you don't have a figure, you don't know whether PQ is greater than QR or QR is greater than PQ. You don't know that, na? You don't know the difference between PQ. I mean, if you write, suppose, understand like this. If you will write PQ minus QR, you don't know whether this is positive or negative, right? Because you don't know whether PQ is greater or QR is greater. So you take this difference in modulus, right? So PQ minus QR, that is the absolute difference between the lengths of two sides of a triangle, is less than the third side. You write it like this, correct? The absolute difference between the lengths of two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. PQ minus QR is less than PR. I hope it is clear to every student in this session. Any doubt up till here, guys? The sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, and the difference between the lengths of two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. There is a proof to all of these properties. We are not doing those proofs right now. We'll be concentrating on the questions on the basis of these properties. I hope it is clear to every student in this session, guys. Okay. So let's move on to questions, guys. Can you try doing this one? A very basic question on this type of property. Okay, Bimla. So if triangle ABC is obtuse angle at C, then which out of these options is correct over here? Tell the answer over here, guys. if triangle ABC is obtuse at C, it is something like this, right? It's an obtuse angled triangle at C. So suppose this is A, B and C, obtuse angle at vertex C over here. Then we have to tell out of the given options which one is correct. So you see, if it is obtuse at C, then obviously C will be greater than both of these angles. C is greater than A and C is also greater than B or not, tell me. Because it's an obtuse angled triangle, and obtuse angle will be the maximum angle in that triangle. There is needless to say that. Now you have studied in this class that the side opposite to larger angle is longer. So opposite to C you have got AB. So can I not say that AB is greater than opposite to A, you have got BC. So AB is greater than BC. In the same manner, opposite to C you have got opposite to C you have got AB over here, and AB will be greater than opposite to B you have got AC. So AB is greater than AC. So both of these are correct, you just have to match options. So AB is greater than BC is matching over here. Is it clear to every student in this session? Tell me. Any doubt in the question, guys? Tell me. Because sides opposite to larger angle is longer, needless to say that. We have seen that property in this class itself. Is this thing clear, guys? Any doubt in that? Okay, Ishwa, Jamal, Simran, Ayush, Ravi Ranjan, Abhimanyu, Deenabandhu, is it clear? Soumya, Bimla, any doubt in this question to any student in this session? Okay. So try doing this one. If in triangle angle C is the greatest angle, then which out of these options is correct? Angle C is the greatest angle, then which out of these options is correct? So try doing this question, guys. So over here angle C is the greatest angle. So this is same type of figure will be made, guys. Same type of question actually. So it is A, B and C. So angle C is the greatest angle. So it means angle C is greater than angle A, and it is the same thing again, angle C is greater than angle B as well. So opposite to angle C, which side is there? You know that side opposite to larger angle is longer. So I can say that AB is greater than side opposite to angle A is BC. So AB is greater than BC. In the same manner over here, AB is greater than side opposite to B is AC over here. So therefore AB is greater than BC and AB is greater than AC. It means both option B and C, they are correct. So option D is correct over here. Is it clear? Correct, Abhimanyu? Yes, option D is correct. So actually there is no difference between the previous question and this question. Only two options are there in this question, right? I hope it is clear to every student in this session. Any doubt in the question, guys? Tell me. Any doubt in that? No, Abhimanyu, that cannot happen. Then in that case you will not get a triangle, Abhimanyu. You can understand like this. Practically you will be able to understand that. See, Abhimanyu, suppose 3 points are there. You will understand like this. It is A, B and C. C. So this type of situation will happen when sum of two sides is equal to the third side. You got that logic, Abhimanyu? Basically you understand like this. See, third side is suppose AC, and AB and BC, they are hanging like this. You got it? AB and BC, they are hanging like this. Suppose the base is still, suppose the base is still and two sides are hanging like this. Suppose you leave it like this, so they will fall like this. So if this plus this is equal to AC, what will happen? You will get a straight line, you will not get a triangle. They will not hang on the other one, na? Just get a feeling like that. They will not hang on the other one, na? And they cannot hang on the other one as well, na? They cannot hang. They must be exactly clinging, right? I hope you understand that. So in that manner you can get that feeling, right? So sum of the lengths of two sides is greater than the third side. I hope it is clear. Yes. Okay, can you tell me what about this question over here? It's a simple question only. So it is not possible to construct a triangle when the lengths of its sides are out of the given options of it. It's a direct question again. Actually, it is your question only, Abhimanyu. Okay. Oh yeah, it got changed to JE channel, Faizan. After seeing the number of students over there actually. तुम 8 में हो क्या फैजान? So we'll do for that as well very soon. I cannot commit the exact date to you. Okay, so you see over here, yeah, that is option C. You know that sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So you see 4 plus 3 is greater than 5, 5 plus 4 is greater than 3, 5 plus 3 is greater than 4. Oh, sorry. So, so over here we have to select not possible. This one is possible, right? In the same manner, this is also possible. 5 plus 3 is greater than 5, 5 plus 5 is greater than 3, 5 plus 3 is greater than 5. This is also possible. I mean, a triangle will be made. But if you see this one, you see this one is possible. But if you take this plus this, right, this you are getting 5 plus 3 only. If you do 2.2 plus 3.1, you are getting 5.3 only. So you know that sum of the lengths has to be greater than the third side. Sum of the lengths of two sides cannot be equal to the third side, correct? Okay, Faizan. Is it clear to every student over here? Sum of the lengths of two sides cannot be equal to the third side. Any doubt in the question, guys? Just confirm that in the chat, guys. Okay, now I'm giving a question, a very simple question. Suppose the lengths of the sides of a triangle, they are 2, 7 and x. Suppose the lengths of the sides of a triangle are this, 2, 7 and x centimeter or units you can say. What is the range of values of the length of the third side? It means third side will lie in which category? Can you not say? What will be the range of values of, or suppose, wait, I'm changing the question. Suppose these are the lengths of the sides of a triangle and suppose all the lengths are integer, okay? All the lengths of this triangle, lengths of the sides of this triangle are integers. Can you tell me what is the minimum value of x and the maximum value of x? What is the minimum value of x and maximum value of x? Can you tell that? If the lengths are integers, can you tell me what is the minimum value of x and maximum value of x? They are the lengths of the sides of a triangle. I'm not talking about this question, Soumya. I hope this question is clear. Option C was correct because in option C you will not be able to form a triangle because sum of the lengths of two sides cannot be equal to the third side. Okay, correct, Soumya? I'm asking a different question over here, Soumya. Okay. So if these are the lengths of the sides of a triangle and all of them are integer values it can be. So what is the minimum length of the side of the third side and what is the maximum length of the third side? Tell me. Which part, Sambhavi? Are you talking about this question, Sambhavi? Sum of the lengths of two sides will every time be greater than the third side. If you add up these values, Sambhavi, you are getting 5 plus 5.3 only. And the third side is also 5.3. That cannot be the situation, Sambhavi. Sum of the lengths of two sides cannot be equal to the third side. It has to be greater than the third side every time. And we have to select not possible. So therefore option C is not possible. Is it clear, Sambhavi? Now you see over here, basically, what will happen, guys? Sum of the lengths of two sides is greater than the third side or not? Tell me, guys. So therefore, can I not say that sum of the lengths is greater than the third side? So 2 plus 7 is greater than x. Can I not say that 9 is greater than x or I can write this same thing like this, x is smaller than 9. Can I write like this? You got that? I can write x is smaller than 9. And difference of two sides is less than the third side. Can I not say? Difference of two sides is less than the third side over here. So, I can write it like this, 7 minus 2 is less than x. Can I not say? We are not talking about we are talking about the difference, the gap between them, right? So I can say now that x is greater than 5 over here. Difference of two sides is greater than the third side. Can I not say? So, and x is less than 9 over here. So can I not say that x is greater than 5 and less than 9? Can I write like this, guys? But I am saying that they are integers over here. So what is the smallest integer possible? X is greater than 5. So can I not say that the smallest value of x will be 6 only? And the greatest value of x will be 8 only, tell me. So the smallest length of the third side is 6 units and the greatest length of the third side is 8 units. Is it clear? Exactly, that is correct, Abhimanyu. Minimum 6 and maximum 8. Is this clear to every student in this session? If we are talking about the integral values only. If we are saying that the sides are integral in length. Any doubt in the question, guys? Tell me. Just confirm that in the chat. Faizan, is it clear? Sambhavi, Bimla, Soumya, is it clear? Bimla, over here, see, sum of the lengths of two sides is greater than the third side. So 2 plus 7 is greater than x. So I can write 9 is greater than x. So I can say, see, 9 is greater than x. I can say x is smaller than 9. So they are the same thing. Correct, Bimla? Now difference of two sides is less than the third side. So difference, we are talking about the absolute difference. I had taken modulus. Do you remember over here? I had taken modulus because we talk about the absolute difference. Don't take it like this, that 2 minus 7. No, absolute difference. So 7 minus 2, or you can do 2 minus 7 and then take modulus of it. It will be the same thing. So basically, difference of two sides is basically a difference of two sides, or I can write it like this, Bimla, if you are not getting this thing, wait. Difference of two sides is less than the third side, Bimla. So I can say that 5 is smaller than x. So I can write 5 smaller than x, or I can say x greater than 5. It is the same thing. So you see, x is smaller than 9, x is greater than 5. So can I not collectively write it like this? X is greater than 5 and less than 9, Bimla. But we already know that they are integral values. It is the part of the question. So what is the smallest value of x which is possible if x is an integer? X is greater than 5. So the smallest value will be 6 or not? Tell me, Bimla. And the greatest value will be 8 or not? So 6 units and 8 units are the minimum and the maximum values of the sides of the triangle. We have got other proof questions, Abhimanyu. Is it clear, Bimla? Any doubt in that? Okay, so we have got other questions, Abhimanyu, proof based questions over here. So let's do this, guys. So these things can also come up, obviously. So it is given in the question that Q is a point on side SR of this triangle such that PQ is equal to PR. We have to prove that PS is greater than PR. How can we do that? Tell me, guys. How can we prove it? Tell me. Proof you must know. It will come in the examination. You cannot say that I don't know the proof of it. It will come in the examination. Especially in triangles chapter, proof will come. In your school examination I am talking about, right? But in other examinations, objective question will come obviously on the basis of these topics. So basically over here you see these sides are given to be equal. Can I say that this angle is x, so this angle is also x? Because angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Suppose this angle is y, just suppose that, and this is angle z. I can say that over here, guys. Correct? Now you can use the exterior angle property. If you see this triangle PSQ, if in this triangle PSQ, can I use the exterior angle property? Can I say that x is equal to y plus z, exterior angle property, guys? X is equal to y plus z, I can say over here. Can I not say that? So see, if x is coming out to be equal to y plus z, so can I not say that x will be greater than z only? Does that mean that, guys? If x is equal to y plus z, I can say now that x is greater than z. It is common sense over here. So if you see in this triangle, in triangle PSR, we have proved that x is greater than z. So if x is greater than z, side opposite to x is what? PS. So can I not say PS will be greater than side opposite to z, that is PR? Have we proved this, guys? Tell me. Yes or no? Now in place of PR, can I write PQ? Because PR and PQ, they are equal. So have I proved that PS is greater than PQ? Tell me. That we have to prove. PS is greater than PQ. Is this question clear to every student? These things will come in your school examinations if I am talking about specifically about school. Is it clear? Bimla, Abhimanyu, Sambhavi, any doubt in that? Faizan, Soumya? Is this thing clear to everybody? Okay, is it not clear, Abhimanyu, or is it clear to you? So that we can move on to other questions over here. Okay, let's proceed. So what about this question, guys? It is given in the question that AC is greater than AB and AD bisects angle BAC. We have to prove that ADC is greater than ADB. This we have to prove over here. So this type of question again, see, there is a similarity between previous question and this question. So see, it is given that AD is bisecting BAC. AD is bisecting BAC. Can I not say that if this angle is x, this will also be x? Because it is bisecting, correct? If this angle is x, this will also be x. Because AD is bisecting angle BAC, it is given in the question itself. Now it is also given in the question that AC is greater than AB. See, it is given that AC is greater than AB. Now you have studied that angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle, angles opposite to longer side is greater, right? So if AC is greater than AB, so angle opposite to AC is B or not? So can I not say that angle B is greater than angle opposite to AB is C? So angle B is greater than angle C. Can I say that over here? Correct? Not able to understand that part, Bimla? When we add 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, which is smaller than 8. Are you talking about the previous question, Bimla? No, we haven't got 5 over here, Bimla. In this question, we did not have 5. That was 7 and 2, Bimla. So 7 plus 2, and if we are having this maximum 8, 7 plus 2 is 9, Bimla. Correct? Over here we have got 2, 7, and then we are telling that this is 8, Bimla. So it will satisfy the triangle inequality, because the reason being we are getting these things from triangle inequality only, na? How can it be wrong? Tell me. We have started from that point only, so it will not be wrong, Bimla. You got that logic? We have started from the triangle inequality itself. So it will not be wrong, na? Even if you check it, it will not be wrong. Is this clear up till here? So angle B is greater than angle C. Now can I add on both these sides? We can add the same thing. If I add x on both the sides, still it will be greater than or not? Tell me. If I add x on both the sides, so I can say B plus x is greater than C plus x. Now what is B plus x? B plus x, isn't it ADC? If you use exterior angle property in this triangle, B plus x is ADC or not? Tell me. So this is nothing but ADC. And what is C plus x? It is ADB. Again exterior angle property. It is ADB over here. So have we proved it, guys? Have we proved that ADC is greater than ADB? Is it clear, Soumya? Is it clear, Abhimanyu, Bimla? Any doubt in the question, guys? Needless to say, I am not writing every statement which must be written in your examination or your school answer sheet. I am just explaining those things. I am not writing. See, again and again, if I will write the same thing, we will not be able to do many questions. Is it clear to every student in this session? Just confirm that in the chat, guys. Okay, fine. So I am explaining it once again. If it is not clear, no problem. See, basically, it is given that AD is the bisector, correct? It is given that AD is the bisector. So this is X, so this will also be X. This part is clear to everybody. AD is the bisector is given. So X and X, we have just assumed it. Now it is given in the question that AC is greater than AB. AC is greater than AB. It is given in the question only. So angle opposite to longer side, AC is greater than AB, so angle opposite to AC is B, angle opposite to AB is C. So therefore B is greater than C will come or not, guys? Tell me. B is greater than C will come. Now can I add on both these sides X only? I can add on both the sides the same thing. I am adding X on both the sides. Now what is B plus X? B plus X will be ADC. If you see this triangle, that is exterior angle property. So that is ADC. In the same manner, we are having C plus X. So C plus X will be equal to ADB, exterior angle property in this triangle. So that is the proof. Is it clear now? Abhimanyu, Soumya, Bimla, Sambhavi. Any doubt in that? Okay, so let's move on to the next thing. So you see this type of question over here, proof based questions, many a times it comes in the examination. S is any point in the interior of triangle PQR. So just make any rough figure, any triangle PQR like this. We don't know specifically about the figure, so let's make any normal triangle only, PQR. So S is any point inside it. Suppose S is over here. It is given in the question itself, S is inside it, right? Now we have to prove in the question that SQ plus SR, we have to prove that SQ plus SR is smaller than PQ plus PR. This is a good question actually. I mean, see, these type of questions, many a times you just have to visualize properly. If you will practice questions, first you will do some basic questions, then you will get it within time, right? I mean, it will not happen within seconds. It's not like that, right? So you have to practice many questions. For example, over here, without construction, you cannot do anything. You will not be able to prove this question without construction. So if you will not do any kind of construction, this question will not be done for sure. So the construction in this question is what, guys? I have to extend it. Can I extend QS like this? Suppose this point is T. So I am extending QS up till point T over here. Now, if you see this triangle PQT, in this triangle, I am sorry, PQT, right? In the triangle PQT over here, can I not say that PQ plus PT is greater than QT over here, guys? Can I say that PQ plus QT is greater than QT over here, guys? Do you agree with me? Now if I talk about triangle STR, just see it properly. Triangle STR, can I say over here that ST plus TR is greater than SR over here? Can I say that, guys? Tell me. Correct? Now what I can do? Can I add these inequalities? Can I add these? Adding this means this plus this I can take over here. So I will get PQ plus PT plus ST plus TR, and the sign will remain the same. That is greater than QT plus SR. Can I do that something like this, guys? I hope this is clear up till here. Correct. Now you just have to simplify this thing, right? So basically over here PQ plus PT is greater than QT, and okay, so wait, we want PQ plus PR, right? We want PQ. So you see PQ is already there. PT plus TR is PR over here. Now over here, one more thing I have to do. Just see it, it is a good question. So this is PQ over here. See it properly. This is PQ. Now PT plus TR, if you see the figure, that will be PR or not? That will be PR. Now over here you see that ST is there, right? So let it be like that only. ST, we can write it like this only, leave it like that. In place of QT, if you see QT, that is QS plus ST. So that is nothing but, or I can write SQ plus ST. SQ plus ST plus SR over here, correct? So can I not cancel out this ST, guys? I can cancel out this ST. So basically we have got this thing or not? We have got this or not? SQ plus SR is less than PQ plus PR. Have we got this thing, guys? Is it clear to everybody in this session? This is a construction thing. Is it clear, Soumya, Bimla, Abhimanyu? Any doubt in that, Sambhavi? So we have proved actually over here that SQ plus SR is less than PQ plus PR. Just confirm that in the chat, guys. Is it clear or not? Okay, so let's move on to the next thing. So this type of question also comes many a times. O is any point in the interior of a triangle ABC. We have to prove this thing over there. Many a times it is there. O is any point in the interior of a triangle ABC. So you can make any triangle ABC, any random triangle ABC will do. O is any point inside it. And if you can join these things over here, like this, we have to prove that OA plus OB plus OC is greater than half of AB plus BC plus AC. कहाँ पे है मतलब? That is there at Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya Meenakshi in Hyderabad. Okay, so basically we have got three triangles over here, right? You see, if you see this triangle over here, can I not say that OA plus OB is greater than AB over here? Correct? You can say that. And if you see this triangle, can I not say that OB plus OC is greater than BC? In a triangle, sum of the lengths of two sides is greater than the third side, we can say that. And if you take this triangle over here, can I not say that OA plus OC is greater than AC over here? Can we say that, guys? Sum of the lengths of two sides, OA plus OC is greater than AC. Sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. We can say that. Now, can I add these inequalities? Tell me. If you add these inequalities, what will happen? You will see that OA is coming two times. You will get 2A OA 2OB plus 2OC only. You will get that only. And that is coming out to be greater than AB plus BC plus AC. Are you getting this thing, guys? AB plus BC plus AC over here. Now basically, can I not take 2 as common over here and take that in division on the other side? Take 2 as common, take that in division on the other side. So basically we are saying OA plus OB plus OC. And that is what? That is greater than half of AB plus BC plus AC. Is this clear to every student up till here? Hello Aditya. Is this clear to everybody, guys? Any doubt in these things? Tell me. It's a very basic question on the basis of similarity of triangles, but many a times it comes in examination. Right? So one more question is left. Let us do that as well, and that is also similar type of question. Let's do that as well. So it is given that prove that the perimeter of a triangle is greater than the sum of its three altitudes. Perimeter of a triangle is greater than sum of its three altitudes. It means perimeter means what? Sum of the lengths of the sides. So if you make any random triangle over here, suppose I'm talking about ABC, maybe ABC over here, and you make 3 altitudes of it. Altitude means you're dropping perpendicular. In the same manner, drop perpendicular. In the same manner, drop perpendicular. So it is AB, BC, and suppose I'm naming them P, Q, and R. Okay, so we have to prove that the and obviously they will intersect at single point only, and the point of intersection of the altitudes of a triangle is what? Do you know that? Point of intersection of the medians, that is called the centroid. Point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector is what, guys? Point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector, point of intersection of the angle bisector. These things you must know, right? So point of intersection of the altitudes, that is called the orthocenter, right? Point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle, that is known as the circumcenter. Point of intersection of the angle bisectors of a triangle is called the incenter. I hope that is clear, and there are properties related to those things as well. Okay, so let's do this. So we have to prove the perimeter of a triangle is greater than the sum of the lengths of its 3 altitudes. Perimeter means what? We have to prove basically AB plus BC plus AC, that is the perimeter. It is greater than AP plus BQ plus CR, that we have to prove. Perimeter over here. It's a simple question only. So basically what we have to do over here, if you talk about triangle ABP, see over here, if I talk about ABP and ACP over here, in these two triangles what is happening? ABP and ACP. Can I not say over here that AB plus BP is greater than AP, and we can say that AC plus CP is greater than AP. You got that, guys? Correct? In this triangle ABP, AB plus BP is greater than AP, AC plus CP is greater than AP. Correct? We can say that. So you can add these equations. What will happen, guys? If you will add these equations basically over here, so you will get, you see, BP plus CP, that is going to be BC only. So you are going to get basically AB plus BC plus AC. Correct? You are getting AB plus BC plus AC, and that is greater than AP, that is greater than 2AP. Correct? So AB plus BC plus AC, you are getting greater than 2AP. You got that logic? In the same manner, if I talk about triangles, I am not writing that, I hope you will understand that. In the same manner, if I talk about triangles CBP, CBR and CAR, if I talk about triangles CAR over here. So in these two triangles, you can write CB plus BR is greater than CR, and then you will say CA plus AR is greater than CR, and when you will add those inequalities, what will you get? You will get again AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2CR. You got that logic or not? So again in the second case, you will get what? AB plus BC plus AC, AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2CR. Again you will get the same thing. You got that logic? In the same manner, if I talk about triangle ABQ, suppose, or AQB I am writing, okay? AQB and CQB I am writing, CQB. So if you talk about AQB in this triangle, I can write AB plus AQ is greater than BQ, and I can write CB plus CQ is greater than BQ. Again the same thing, and if you will add the inequalities, what will you get? You will get AB plus BC plus CQ plus AQ, that is the perimeter of this triangle, and that is greater than 2BQ. Correct? That is greater than 2BQ. So basically again you will get the same thing, AB plus BC plus AC, that is greater than 2 times of the third altitude, that is BQ over here. Is this clear up till here? So you see, this is nothing but the perimeter. This is nothing but the perimeter. Got that logic up till here, guys? So is greater than sum of its 3 altitudes. So obviously if you will add it up, you can do like that. I hope this is clear to every student up till here. Is it clear? Sorry for that, guys. Okay. You can try doing this, and in the next session as well, I'll be taking some more questions on triangles only, guys. time is up due to some reason. Okay, so in the next session we are going to do these questions and we'll be practicing some more questions on the basis of triangles as well in the next session, right? Okay, so that's all we needed to do right now on the Infinity Learn class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. For grade 9 students, you have got Pratham series. For grade 10 students, you have got Pioneer series. Don't forget to subscribe to the Infinity Learn class 9 and 10 YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel as well, so that you don't miss any updates regarding these sessions and the PDFs of these sessions. Only Hindi is not possible, because देखो, I don't have any personal problem, but बहुत सारे students will not be able to understand only Hindi. So that's all we needed to do in the session, guys. Bye bye, take care everybody, see you then in the next class.